Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into a fascinating topic that's been generating a lot of buzz lately: artificial intelligence, or AI, for short. Artificial intelligence has the potential to revolutionize our lives in numerous ways. So in this video, we're going to provide you with an introduction to this exciting field. To begin, let's clarify what exactly AI is. In simple terms, AI refers to the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that would typically require human intelligence. This includes activities such as problem-solving, learning, and decision-making. AI is all about creating intelligent machines that can imitate, and in some cases even surpass, human cognitive abilities. One of the key areas of AI research is machine learning. Machine learning enables computer systems to analyze vast amounts of data, learn from it, and improve performance without explicit programming. This type of AI is often used in recommendation systems, fraud detection, and even self-driving cars. It's truly incredible what machines can accomplish when given the power to learn and adapt. Another remarkable concept in AI is natural language processing. This is the field where computers are taught to understand and process human language. Think of virtual assistants like Siri or Alexa. They use natural language processing to understand and respond to our voice commands. This technology has come a long way, and it's only getting better. AI has already made its way into many aspects of our daily lives. From personalized recommendations on streaming platforms to intelligent virtual assistants, AI is shaping the way we interact with technology. But it doesn't stop there. AI is also making significant contributions to healthcare, finance, agriculture, and various other sectors. Now you might be wondering, what does the future hold for AI? Well, the possibilities are truly endless. Some experts believe that AI could lead to a world where machines can perform complex tasks, leaving humans with more time for creativity and innovation. Others raise concerns about AI ethics and the potential impact on employment. It's certainly a topic that sparks debate and further exploration. In conclusion, artificial intelligence is a rapidly advancing field that has the potential to transform nearly every aspect of our lives. From machine learning to natural language processing, AI is already shaping the technology we use daily. As we move forward, it will be crucial to carefully consider the implications and use AI in a way that benefits society as a whole. So buckle up and get ready, because the age of AI is just beginning. Thanks for joining me on this exploration of artificial intelligence. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more exciting content. Until next time, take care and stay curious.